Make a great choice today with the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.